My name is Renata and I come from Czech Republic. I joined Speak Fluent German in order to adapt better to life in Germany. Before I joined this course, I had never attended any German classes or courses, and today, after a few weeks of program with Salome, I can have a simple conversation in German. The reason why I decided to contact German language teacher was definitely moving to German speaking country and also the vision of becoming flying attendant one day, where I believe one more language would be only a plus. I'm very satisfied with the support from Salome. She's a really great teacher in general. If I compare her to my high school teachers, it's like chalk and cheese. The thing that really surprised me was that people who join Salom's program can already speak English, and from my point of view, the German progress is much faster with English knowledge because there are little similarities. If you can't decide whether or not to start with German, do it. You won't regret, especially with Salome's program. Studying with Salome's approach is really efficient. Bye!